Turn your brain into a learning machine in 7 days. What if you could absorb new skills and knowledge at lightning speed, all in just 7 days? Get ready to unlock your brain's hidden potential and transform it into a learning machine. Day 1. Dive into multimodal magic. Mix it up. Why stick to one way of learning when you can have a whole buffet? Read about it, watch an epic video, listen to a podcast, or even turn it into a game. Engaging multiple senses supercharges your neural connections and makes information stick like glue. So go ahead, make learning a multi-sensory fiesta. Day 2. Be the teacher you always wanted. Share the wisdom. Got some fresh knowledge? Spread the love. Teach a friend, write a quirky blog post, or explain it to your pet goldfish. Teaching others not only helps them, but also reinforces your own understanding. Plus, who doesn't love being the genius in the room? Day 3. Connect the dots like a pro. Link new with the known. Turn learning into a mind-blowing adventure by connecting new concepts with things you already know. Studying physics? Relate it to your favorite superhero's powers. This trick doesn't just make learning fun, it makes it unforgettable. Day 4. Get your Zen on. Mindfulness matters. Time to give your brain a blissful break. Dedicate at least 30 minutes to mindfulness meditation each day. It sharpens focus, kicks stress to the curb, and boosts cognitive flexibility. Consider it a spa day for your mind. Day 5. Quiz yourself to greatness. Active recall rules. Drop the passive reading and challenge yourself. Use flashcards, quizzes, or have a friend test you. Actively recalling information is like doing mental push-ups. It builds a stronger, smarter brain. Day 6. Master the art of single tasking. One thing at a time. Multitasking is so last year. Focus on one task without distractions and watch your productivity soar. Close those extra tabs, silence your phone, and dive deep into the learning zone. Your brain will thank you. Day 7. Challenge accepted. Brain games galore. Shake things up by tackling puzzles, brain teasers, or picking up a totally new hobby. Stimulating your brain in new ways enhances neuroplasticity, making it more adaptable and ready to soak up knowledge like a sponge. Here are some additional tips. Feed your brain. Nourish yourself with brain-boosting foods rich in omega-3s and antioxidants. Think delicious salmon, crunchy walnuts, and a rainbow of berries. Yummy! Stay curious. Let your curiosity run wild. Dive into topics that intrigue you, even if they're outside your usual interests. It's like giving your brain a thrilling roller coaster ride. See, friends? By embracing these exciting strategies over the next week, you're not just learning, you're leveling up. Get ready to unleash a smarter, sharper, and more enthusiastic you. Let's turn that brain into a learning machine. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.